I'm José Antonio Rivera, age 50, born in New York, raised in Allentown, Pennsylvania. I grew up in Southside in the housing projects of Cumberland Gardens, single parent home. I ran the streets even though I was an honor roll student. We moved to Center City and I went buck wild. Other kids had dreams of being police, attorneys. I wanted to be the biggest drug dealer in our city. My way got me incarcerated at the age of 18 and continued my life of incarceration until age 48. I knew about LCCC. I'm from the Allentown area, but what got me interested was 2008 while I was serving time. I was offered an opportunity to take classes. 2012, I paroled and I reoffended. While I was there this time, 2017, the Pell Grants were offered again. I took my shot, I got in, and I've been doing good ever since. I graduated here 2020, and I'm a Muhlenberg student now. My success shows. I'm still at Muhlenberg, 3 semesters to go before I get my bachelor's. The Pell Grant gave me an opportunity to take one thing off my plate, and that was financing. And it helped cover my books, my education, and it gave me an opportunity just to worry about getting my work done and not worry about where I was gonna pay it. As I continued learning, I felt free. It gave me that hope that I ain't gotta do this no more. Staff at Donnelly really go way out and beyond to make sure you succeed in life because they see you as an asset. If you continue to walk by the problems, they're not gonna go away. You can't complain about it when you had an opportunity to change it. I'm part of that change now, and I love my people. I love my city. I'm a director now at Promise Neighborhoods of the Lehigh Valley, where that's another place that inspired me to do better for myself, but also for community. Where we live by the motto, you broke it, you fix it. I've been part of the problem in the city for years, spreading the poison, now I'm trying to clean it up. As I was running in the streets, every time I got incarcerated, I lost everything, so there was really no value in anything I gained. Every time I came home, I had to start all over. When I started coming to LCCC and Donnelly, I gained one thing that no one can ever take from me, and that's knowledge, because knowledge is power, and education always stays with you, and it's something you can pass on generation to generation. It doesn't matter what I did in the front part of my story, it's the end that matters.